In a domain-based environment, you're going to have groups like enterprise admins, domain admins, and many others that have a high level of privilege already assigned to those. So if you are a member of one of those groups, you can perform various administrative functions. But at times, and this is true in every environment, you're going to need people that are not a member of enterprise admins, not a member of domain admins. You're going to have users that work in IT, but they don't need the full capabilities of these high privilege groups. So I'm going to call those non-admins, meaning they're not truly domain administrators, but their job requires some administrative function. Maybe they work on a help desk, so they need to do things like reset passwords, modify group memberships, create user accounts, computer accounts, those types of things, where they don't need full administrative rights. For some tasks, there are built-in groups that exist with predefined admin rights. For example, there is a group that exists named Account Operators. If I make you a member of this group, you can create, delete, and manage user accounts, create, delete, manage computer accounts, and you can do the same for groups. So if you need those capabilities, I simply make you a member of the Account Operators group. Now, the issue with that, I will have some situations where I want you to be able to create a user account, but I do not want you to be able to delete it. Maybe the initial tier of the help desk. I don't want that tier to be able to delete objects. They can create new objects, but if something needs to be deleted, they need to escalate it to the next tier. That may be our standard operating procedure in our environment. If that's true, you cannot use the Account Operators group because that also includes the ability to delete. So instead, what we would do is we would use this delegation of control wizard. What I could do is take a user, a group, and I can delegate. So I could say, if you are a member of a specific group, maybe I have a group named Help Desk. If you are a member of this group, you can reset passwords. Or we could say you could create user accounts, but not delete user accounts. So you select who you want to delegate to, then you select what rights you want to delegate. So it's really a way of customizing who can do what in your environment. All the common things you want to delegate are already predefined. So you just assign that to the user group. Now they have those permissions, those rights assigned. I'll demonstrate this delegation after we install Active Directory, which is actually in the next module that we cover.